Welcome back. In this lecture we're gonna make a face swapping using these two photos. So first, let's select the face using the lasso tool. Then copy this selection and go to the other document and paste it. Now let's resize the new selection, which is the layer 1, and adjust its position. And we use the free transformation to resize. Now let's duplicate the layer named layer 1. We can use Ctrl G in the keyboard, or you make a right click and you click on duplicate layer. Now let's hide the new layer, layer 1 copy. Then we select layer 1 and you go to filter, blur, and you choose Gaussian blur. So we use the Gaussian blur until you don't see the details of the face. And for me 10 is perfect. So click on OK. Now let's merge layer 0 and layer 1 to have only one layer with the face with a blur effect. Now unhide the layer 1 copy. So now move the mouse over the thumbnail of layer 1 copy. Keep Ctrl pressed and make one click. Now we will add a border. We go to Select, Modify and Border. And the border in Photoshop is a function that will select some pixels outside the layer and some pixels inside the layer. So in our case, if we choose 10 pixels, we will select 5 pixels outside the selection and 5 pixels inside the selection. Now let's remove the border, and there we have a smooth border because in the background we created the blur effect on the layer 1. So when we remove 5 or 10 pixels from the layer 1 copy, the blur effect from the layer 1 will show up. Now select again layer 1. Now pay attention to this step. Move the mouse over layer 1 copy, keep Ctrl pressed, and make sure that layer 1 is selected. And when your mouse is over the thumbnail of layer 1 copy, make one click, then press delete in the keyboard. So now we removed from layer 1 the part of the photo with the same position as layer 1 copy. And the final step is to select both layers. Go to Edit, Auto Blend Layers, and choose Panorama and click OK. And with the Auto Blend Layers option, Photoshop will fill all the empty space and combine the images with a smooth transition between these two images. So this is how you can make face swapping with Photoshop. Thank you for watching.